Yo, Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy, Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, guys. What is today? The quarantine got me all messed up, bro. I don't even remember what today is. Today is Wednesday. I got it. It's Wednesday. Today, okay, is Wednesday, and this video is something different. I never think I've done this before. This is actually, I don't even want to call this a vlog, but it's kind of like a vlog because I'm getting out the house. I have not been getting out the house since this whole quarantine started, and I'm actually happy to get out the house unless I'm grocery shopping or just that's really it, just grocery shopping. I mean, I'm not really leaving the crib, man, so I'm kind of thankful for this small little break I get. So, guys, today's video is going to be pretty cool, man. I'm actually linking up with one of my subscribers to buy a pair of sneakers I've been wanting for a while now. Of course, I can't get a shoe away, man, you know what I'm saying? I just can't do that. But I thought it was dope to record the process because a lot of you guys always show love, subscribe to the channel, comment down below. Y'all, bro, when I say hit the like button, when I say something like, if you ever watch Netflix in your life, I'm going to need you to smash that like button. And the people who actually smash the like button, this one is for y'all. Now, a lot of people reach out to me on Instagram, Twitter, even Facebook. I don't have a Facebook, but some people be hitting me up like, yo, Snipe, I hit you on Facebook. Sorry, bro, I don't have a Facebook, but I appreciate it. By the way, it's a few fake accounts of me on Instagram. Do not accept those. Like, y'all know, look, my Instagram is right there, bro. If that's not the guy hitting you up, it's not me. I seen 2 already that I helped get reported. If y'all see any more, tag me because it's weird, bro. If you faking accounts out there, bro, you have to have a mental illness. I really believe if you faking to be somebody else on social media, it's considered a mental illness, bro. Like, for real, that's crazy. But anyways, man, I love y'all. I love the subscribers, and I love to do videos like this where I link up with you guys. And I know right now it's like this crazy pandemic with social distancing, and I've been practicing social distancing, okay? I'm just going to just pick up some shoes and go home. I would wear a mask and some gloves, man, but I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I'm not gonna do that. So don't kill me down below in the comments, man. I am just going to link up with a sub, and I am going to buy some sneakers. Now, I actually met him over at the gym, man. I work out, you know, your boy Snipe trying to get them gains in, yeah. We work out at the same gym, and one day, you know what I'm saying, he walked up like, yo, bro, I watched the vids, and it was cool ever since, man. And dude also has a fitness channel. I'm gonna let him tell you guys more about that. When he hit me up to talk to me about the pair of sneakers he had to offer, he kind of told me he was starting his channel off as well, and I thought, hey, yo, man, it'd be dope to get you in front of the camera and tell my people about what you going on, because just like me, you know, being at the house trying to get this fitness quarantine is kind of tough, man. I ain't gonna cap. So that's pretty much it, man. I just wanted to basically link up with him, get these sneakers up off of him, bring them back to the crib and show them off because I've been wanting these for a while, as I said earlier. Make sure you guys smash up this like button, man. Try to get this to 1,000 likes. The video so far been kind of slow coming from the channel ever since the quarantine, man. So I'm trying my best to do what I can. So y'all try y'all best to do what y'all can and make sure we hit 100K by the end of the year. For the shoes today, since I'm not really doing nothing crazy and I just want to be OD comfy, I'm gonna go with something super comfy. You know what I'm saying? A lot of shoes y'all hate, but I'm gonna go with the 500s, man. I'm definitely gonna go with the utility blacks. They comfy, bro. They're like the most comfy shoes I got. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I will catch up with y'all in a second. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm in the whip, and I was about to pull off, and then I got the questioning, man. I'm like, I wonder, who knows who's my favorite artist? Like, if you subscribe to me, you probably don't know, but if you follow me on Instagram, then you will definitely know. I want to know which one of my subs knows my favorite artist. Like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, it's a dead away giveaway. It's easy. How many of y'all know? And I will play a song, but if I play a song, it's cheating. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all ain't really got to guess because I'm playing the music. But it's a good question. I'm going to be reading these comments, man. I want to see, do people know or not, man? I'll see y'all in a second. All right, man. Y'all see I'm with the homie Dave right now. We linked up, and it's funny. We linked up at the same spot we met at the LA Fitness, man. And what I was telling y'all is, dude is a strength and conditioning trainer. As you can see, dude look like Michael B. Jordan on Creed 2. Why don't you tell them about the channel that you got going on, man, and everything you provide right now?
Hey, man, I got a new channel out. It's called Discipline Dave. You can just go right on there, and I'm all about putting the technique in the physique, okay? A lot of people out there, they're ego lifting out there, but if you go ahead and do the right technique, I'm telling you, you'll get where you want to go. So you check out my channel if you want to do the real deal. Just go over to Discipline Dave, or you can follow me at IG at Discipline Dave.
Yeah, and pretty much, guys, I'm going to link that down below so you don't have to do any fishing, you don't have to do any wondering. I'm going to link his channel. And like I said, man, real good dude, bro. Like I said, I met him here at the gym, and once he seen some news I put out there, I can't tell y'all what news, he hit me up, man, and gave me a great deal on a pair of sneakers. So, of course, I'm extremely appreciative. And what you got on the feet, though, bro?
Hey,
what you got on the feet, man?
Well, you know, a little something.
These are nice, bro. Now, I'm not gonna hold you. I've been wanting those for a while. You know what I'm saying? Now the resale for those are going for almost like $600-700. Your boy Snipe, man. I don't really like to pay that tab, man. But regardless, check out my boy Dave. The sneakers are here, and I'm gonna bring them back to the crib and show you guys what we picked up today. I was over here talking to my boy Dave, and we was really chopping it up about, you know, actually following your passion over, you know, just what pays the bills. And every time I drop the video, at the end of the video, I say dream big. That's not really just something to say. I truly believe that no matter where you are, no matter what you're doing, no matter, even if you were a starter, you know what I'm saying, be the best in the state. If you're the best in the state, then be the best in the country. If you're the best in the country, be the best in the world. There's always another level you can go to. Don't ever put yourself in a box. Always dream big. And I know you was talking about that as well.
Yeah, definitely. And so what I want to say is that I'm a fan when it comes to Sniper, when it comes to Unbreakable, and the reason is more so for the sneaker is their mentality. And that mentality that they have is that they're trying to achieve higher in dreams, okay? And that is something that inspires me. And so not only just for the sneakers, it's just that hustle mentality. You can go out there and do it. If you're in a job that sucks and you hate it, things like that, make a change. And I know that everybody can't do that. Everybody's in a different situation, but life is too short to hate it. And just go out there and do what you can and dream big.
Absolutely, man. So hey, look, I will see y'all back at the crib for show this time, man. I just really wanted to spread that message. Like I said, man, go over and follow this man on Instagram and check out his YouTube channel. As y'all see, Wise always putting out positive energy, and I think we need that right now during this quarantine. Everybody has time to just sit back, relax, and really figure out what y'all want to do. I will see y'all in a second. Man, finally back at the house after a long, exhausting day. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super tired, but I'm excited to bring y'all this pair of sneakers that I got today. Before we even get to what I got today, I do have a package in, you know what I'm saying, from, wait, what am I doing? I don't get packages like that, bro. I don't get packages like that. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. That's usually how I get the packages in. But we have over a package of some clothing that I picked up from Way Before the Fame. Now, Way Before the Fame is a dope clothing line that a lot of you guys should probably already know about if you watch my channel. But if you don't, I'm about to put you on game. I did cop some stuff, and I wanted to show like a quick little unboxing or unbagging or whatever you want to call it. And some of this stuff was from their, I believe it was it like their fall stuff? Or spring stuff? I think it was the spring collection, if I'm not mistaken. We got a bottle with some hand sanitizer? Okay, cool. We got the hand sanitizer. Quarantine, bro. We quarantining. We threw some extra stuff in too for your boy, man. Nick, thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Let me go ahead and get all this stuff out the bag. So first off, what we got, it looks like a nice olive green t-shirt, okay? And it says, it got the word on there, and it says save our planet, and it has the mask as well. So yeah, definitely very conscious. Y'all see the hand sanitizer. You got the mask on here. And that's the back. The front of the shirt is that olive green, and on the pocket right there it says Way Before the Fame. That's dope. I'm rocking with that. This is something very essential too. I like the earth tone type vibe. That's just cool, bro. It got the Nike swoosh throughout the entire joint. Y'all see that? It got the swooshes throughout the entire hoodie. And of course you get that WBTF, Way Before the Fame. That's fire right there. I like that. It also has a Nike stitch embroidered right there as well too. I see that embroidery with the Nike. That's nice. And definitely give you those OVO vibes, man. OVO vibes for sure. Yeah, this is fire. Definitely appreciate that. Last but not least is what I was telling you guys that I picked up that I thought would be pretty dope. And that was one of the utility vests, okay? So I've been like watching a lot of like essential pieces. Been looking at, you know, how can I remix some things this upcoming summer when it's time to get fly. And I've never had like a lot of accessories, whether that be the man bags, whether that be the utility vest, or just small accessories like that to kind of put your outfit together. So I saw they had a sale over at Way Before the Fame, and I decided, yo, look, let me pick up one of these utility vests. Very dope, very fashionable. You just throw it on there, a long sleeve, a short sleeve, and it's just like something that go over the top of something. I thought it'd be very cool. So I got the Way Before the Fame vest as well. I will be linking Way Before the Fame down below in the description for anybody who want to cop anything. But hey, look, man, stay safe out there, bro. Wash your hands, man. Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Of course, this is a Yeezy box. We all know it's brown, okay? So it's a Yeezy box, but Boost is not on the side. So what can it be? And I was surprised it didn't have no Boost on the side because I believe this shoe does have Boost. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bring it out because I know y'all probably like, what is this? And this is my first time seeing these in hand as well. So I'm excited to pull these back. Ooh. Bow, man, the Yeezy 700 700 V3. How do you pronounce this? Avail? I'm not really sure, but here we have it. Okay, I tried to get this sneaker on release day. Y'all seen the video? The video was basically me doing everything I can to get my hands on these, and I tried to do a live cop, and I wound up taking a L. Took a crazy L, and I was not able to pick them up. But like I said, man, the homie Dave hit me up on IG. He asked me, was I still looking forward to these, because he had got a pair in my size. We were the same size, and he also had the white ones on when I came and picked these up. I showed that in the vlog, but he asked me, did I still need them? I'm like, of course. And he tossed me an amazing deal for these. Now, the resale value for these have tanked very much. Like when they first dropped, they was going for like $500, $600. Now they down to like $380 in my size. So the retail price was $200 for them, and I'm surprised. I thought they had Boost in them. Is this not Boost? Right? I think that I thought that was Boost, if I'm not mistaken. Comment down below and let me know if that's not Boost. I know the 500 uses Addy Prime. I thought these had Boost on them, but from the box, it does not have Boost. I don't know what material this is or what technology this is down here, but I'm gonna have to check. But this is my first pair of 700 V3s. I love this silhouette. I love the white ones more than the black ones, but I definitely like the black ones. One of my favorite things about this sneaker has to be that glow in the dark, addition to this shoe, because it's kind of weird looking, right? It looks like an alien shoe, right? Got the waves on the side. It does have 3M right here on the tongue. I will be doing a full review and on foot of these in my next video, so make sure if you're new to my channel, turn the notification bell on and you check out the review, because I'm very excited to know how these fit and how they look on foot, but I'm just more excited to have these. Comment down below and let me know what you think about my newest pickup. Like I said, guys, I will be doing a full review, unboxing, well, I guess you could call this an unboxing. Easy to rock. Like what he sent over, think about it. This black utility vest, I can wear with this, right? The hoodie, right? This way before the fame hoodie with the gold swooshes, I can wear with that. Look at this earth tone type vibe with the green, I can wear with this, right? It's definitely easy to wear. It's all black. You really can't go wrong with it. So like I said, I'm definitely looking forward to throwing this in the collection and putting these on foot and just seeing what I can come up with it. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I finally got my hands on a Yeezy V3. Did anybody pick these up? I know a lot of people had good luck on these, and some people had bad luck. Luckily, your boy, hey, I'm paying resale now. It wasn't much over resale, but it was enough. It was definitely enough. I normally never pay resale. Snipe is out here paying resale, bro. Jesus, I gotta go, man. Everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.